Yeah, good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Excel Manish. Today we are going to discuss one important issues. Every businessman, every person, they, they face in their life. Everybody need money, and not every person having own money. They have to borrow from bank. They have to borrow from some other institutions. Now, if you went to the bank and you ask for the loan, they will tell, "Okay, I will provide you loan," and then immediately you take the loan. And when next month your installment due, and you never know that this installment is coming like this, because if you know installment before, you can manage your budget, you can make your schedule for payment. So today we will learn how to make equated monthly installment, either EMI calculator. I will provide complete detail and complete formula so you can calculate any loan which you taken from the bank. Either you have planned to take the loan from bank, so you calculate EMI. Now here the some detail is given, like we suppose we want to take any car loan, either home loan, and now you want to know how much every month you are going to pay for repayment of the loan, which includes interest also, principal interest, that is called EMI. EMI means equated monthly installment. Now I'm giving an example. One person go for the loan for $150,000. The rate of interest in the bank 22.5% per annum. PM is per annum, and we have to calculate this per annum into per month, because installment always go for monthly, not annually. Now tenure, for how many years you take the loan. Suppose you are taking loan for 5 years, you can choose any date, because you decide according to your budget. Now come to the, now suppose we are taking 5 years. In 5 years, how many months? We have to calculate month in a tenure in a month. 5 years, 1 year is 12 months. That is the 5 years is 60 months. Now we have to calculate the formula EMI. How what money we have to pay to bank every month to clear the loan in the 5 years. Now let's start. Is equal to PMT. PMT. Okay. The rate monthly, you choose monthly. Okay. Comma PV, and PVR means total installment, comma the loan amount. This is the 150, and close the bracket. Now you can see, sorry, because here we have to make this. Every month we have to pay 4,185.59 dollar. $4,185.59 ceiling. This now total loan payable, because this is the loan per month. Now this loan payable is equal to sum, close open bracket, EMI, how many month, multiply by 60, because you are taking loan for 60. You have to pay total loan to $251,135.51. Now interest, how much interest you pay for loan is equal to sum, open the bracket, total loan payable minus loan amount, close the bracket. You can see, if you take the loan of $150,000 for 5 years at the rate of interest 22.50 per annum, you have to pay total interest on that loan 135.51 interest, and loan amount total you pay 251,135.51, and every month you have to pay 4,185.59. Now let me check, let me show you how do we check. Suppose your loan amount is only $25,000. Okay, and interest rate is 12.5%. You can see automatically this will automatically this for 2 years, 2 years in 24 months. Now you can see if you take the loan of $25,000, the interest rate is 12.5%, and for 2 years your EMI will be $1,182.68 per month for 24 months. Total loan you pay 28,384.38, and interest paid on loan total 3,384.38 that you have to pay interest. Now let's take one more example. You are taking loan of $200,000. The rate of interest is 18.69. Okay, and you have to taken loan for 10 years. 10 years means 120 months. It automatically change. Every month you have to pay 3,693, loan total 443.162.14, and interest paid on loan is 243,162.4. You can see if you take the loan for longer period, your interest is higher than what you taken. This is the lesson for today. I hope you understand well. If you have any doubt, please comment.